What's up guys, welcome back. Sasuke drip civilian clothing. So landscape page, use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause, we'll go too fast. He's got a mask on, so no mouth, makes it easier for us. Head here, so center point about there. Eyes will be about middle, right? And we can just see his eyes really. So we'll start with we'll give him a Rinnegan and a Sharingan. So we'll start here, top eyelid line, diagonal, and then we go across like so, and then we hook it down here, and then the bottom like that. So sometimes in Naruto we can thicken up the top eyelid. You don't have to, but it just makes it look a bit better. Okay, so we've got the Rinnegan in here. The Rinnegan can be a bit difficult to draw. So we put his pupil just there. We want him to look like he's looking up at us, okay? So we'll start with that pupil there. And we'll try and do this kind of bullseye thing coming around, and this can be tricky. So take your time, right? So we'll go with the first circle coming out here, and then where would the other one be? Kind of touches the bottom, but we'll do it here, and I'll sketch it sort of lightly first. Okay, and then there's another one. There. This is probably the best Rinnegan I've ever drawn. It's so hard to get them even sometimes, you know. Okay, not bad. And we'll go with a couple of tomei. I think that's what they're called anyway. Those little commas that he has. There's two here in this one. I don't know if this is canon now, but you know, the placement of them. And then we'll put one down here maybe. Right, so he's frowning pretty heavy, right? We'll just do it here. We'll go this way. Just like a tick or a check mark. It's the easiest way to do his eyebrows. And we will darken it up here at the front. Usually thicker, closer to the nose. Okay. And then we'll give them a bit of an eyelid line. I think they always look better with these eyelid lines, in my opinion. So we'll go over and do a Sharingan. So you want to go measure this eye, right? And that'll be your distance over to the next eye. His head's kind of tilted a little bit, right? So the other eye might not be perfectly in line with this one. It might be higher up. You could go in line if you wanted, but I'll just keep to the image. So we'll go diagonal there. So that's about an eye distance, okay, roughly. And then we'll go across the top again. And then a little spike usually. And then the bottom, eyelid line. I'll thicken this up a bit. And then add his Sharingan iris. So we'll go this big. And the pupil, again, similar size to this one. Somewhere in the middle. And then a couple of black dots there. Spike coming off them. And then it has like another little line sometimes coming around. Sometimes they draw this in, sometimes they don't, so it's up to you. So his other eyebrow is kind of underneath a hair spike, right? But we'll draw it in and we can erase. And again, we're going to go slightly higher up than the other one. So we'll go about here. And we'll just tick it this way. Now this goes underneath his hair a good bit, so it disappears. The ends of it kind of disappear. But it's easier to kind of draw these things in, maybe, and draw over them then. Sometimes. Not all the time, but depends on how complicated they are. With eyes, it's definitely easier. And eyelid line, eyelid line. And maybe like a little bit of a nose line kind of there. So that's all we can see of Sasuke's face. He's wearing a mask. So he's kind of like Kakashi. So it kind of comes up across his nose, down. Like so. And then joins his jaw sort of here. And then side of his face goes up to there. Can't see his jaw on this side because there's a big hair spike. Stops about there. And then his kind of a Katsuki collar cuts across the chin. About there. And then we can see like a bit of his neck or something here, I think. So then fringe coming across his forehead. Going that way then. And then a longer one. Real long, this one. Goes down behind the collar even, I think. Goes that way. And right, we can see a little bit of his ear under there. And then another hair spike in behind. Some more hair on this side. And then this curves around the head, right up to a spike up here. And then they spike the whole way around. One in there. Okay. So his collar keeps going around his neck. And then sides of it. And he's got like a hoodie, like a poncho Adidas kind of hoodie thing, right? So it kind of bumps down that way. And there's like a collar comes along here. Maybe like some fold lines and stuff in there. And then another one that comes around and meets it down there. Bumping this way. And then like shoulder goes down there, just kind of real baggy style going that way. And we have Adidas stripes, 2 sort of vertical stripes coming down his arm. There's probably another one around the other side, you can't see it. And maybe the start of something here. Could be a fold line. And then just some like fold lines on his hoodie there. And we'll draw like a loose Adidas kind of symbol as well. So kind of curves there. Then we have like spikes, or like a letter M, looks like. And then these little things in the middle. And sometimes there's lines in there, but you can add them if you want. And I'll leave them, it's easier. Circle with a line to make an A. Another one with a line to make a D. I. D. Yes. Boom. Dots. Like this are usually a good thing to add, kind of debris, and it's kind of like the wind, you know. Sasuke drip. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.